Right guys, here's the room tour for the Millenium Knickerbocker in Chicago. So straight in through the door we have our wardrobe, quite a big hanging space, got a safe, some extra blankets. It's the bathroom with some nice artwork, massive shower, so that's that. And then the room, got a nice large bed, some lights. That one on the right hums when you turn it on, it's really annoying. Going around, we have a giant TV again. And then we have our kitchen parts, a fridge, which we won't be opening, and another delightful view. So there you go guys, what do you think of the hotel? Stick it in the comments and let's find out.